Killobyte here, and in this video I'm doing a giveaway. So I've teamed up with SuperClean to offer this giveaway. It'll be one of the original SuperClean and one of the aerosol can, the new aerosol can that they've got. All you have to do to enter is put a comment down below saying which of my YouTube videos is your favorite and why. No, I'm not going to judge it on who does the best with that. I don't necessarily care what it says. It can say my favorite was the blind repair because, well, it fell and it was funny. Whatever. Just have a comment, one per person please, and I will count up the number of unique entries and I will do a random number generator to pick a winner. The winner will be notified by me responding to their comment. You should get some sort of notification that I've responded. If not, check back. Oh, be sure to comment no later than July 14th. And we'll do Central Time, since that's, well, I'm Central Time. So come midnight, the night of July 14th, that's the deadline. Make sure you've commented by then. All right, every contest has to have some rules. I will put the rules in the description so you can see them there. But basically, the winner will have to have a United States mailing address for shipping purposes. Sorry, all my South African and Australian and everywhere else friends. One entry per person. Please don't spam it or try to sneak more in. I will be looking to make sure that there's unique accounts for each one. As I said, I will be responding to the winning comment, telling you how to contact me. I will be verifying that the person who contacted me is the person who put the comment in, so don't try to, sneak one over. It will be totally random, so again, doesn't matter how flamboyant your comment is or whatever, whichever video is your favorite and why is fine, but it does have to have both. And the prize will be sent from SuperClean. All right, that's about it. So good luck to everyone, and I look forward to seeing what y'all say.